I've got so many stories of people gone on this journey. One from many, many years ago was a guy, I actually drove past his block just in Moonee Ponds not long ago. This story is about from 2015 and the block's never been built on. So he actually generally did the right thing. At that time, we were a young builder. We weren't running to ECI, early contractor involvement. He was actually running the plans himself. And so we were doing, honestly, I'll put my hand up, we were doing back of the envelope sort of estimates. So we did that for him free. This is free. You shouldn't be paying for that, and you shouldn't be doing it because it can leave you up the garden path. But we did that for him. Then he went away and he developed his design. He was an engineer or something, and he developed his design. I think he was using someone overseas. Anyway, it took months and months, many months, about 8 or more months to come back. It was very slow. But finally came back. He had his full design, full engineering and everything, and wanted us to price it. He thought, he wanted to work with us as his builder. This was for 2 homes, and his budget was about 1.5 mil. This is, again, 2015. Somewhat doable back then. But these designs came back. It had like 10 meters of door, like wind glazing along one side. He had a pond under his stairs. It was just exceptionally and over the top. So his $1.5 million budget, we priced it for like 2.7 million. It was nowhere near it. And he went off. I assume he got other prices as well. Nothing ever come of it. That's a real, I was going to say it's really out there. I mean, the ponds and that sort of thing are, but it's such a common story. Another lady a few years back, again, this is a new home, and she had an architect design it. And her budget, again, was about maybe 1.5 mil again, or 2 mil, somewhere there. But the home was huge. And she'd done the process, as you can imagine, design it, get approval, get all documentation ready, engineering, et cetera, interiors, all selected, all done, then go out to 3 builders. The prices came back like 3.5 million. I saw the plans. I was astonished at the size of them. Like, with the budget of what she had, like, you can build a home for that. But how... I don't get, it was I believe, some degree of malpractice, to be honest, that if you're designing a home that is going to be built at like 3,000 a square metre, like, you're nowhere near it. You need double that. And I know a lot of good architects around Melbourne, they're guiding their clients through around that 6,000 per square metre range. That's just a couple of stories of many, many. But ultimately, our best clients have been on this journey. And it's not due to lack of research, it's actually due to over-research, really.